This is the next version of the men's club vests. Okay, this is a new version. A lot of clubs are liking this one. Why?
Because it's shorter and it's not riding
And
up.
what makes it nice about being shorter?
It doesn't ride up as well as it's more fitting.
Absolutely. And this too also has the no collar here. It's got a standard rounded collar, which is not a collar at all. So it doesn't bother you in the neck like it does in other things. Not only that, this particular vest is made of a naked cowhide leather. Now, what's nice about naked cowhide? You know, what do we call it on our website? You know,
Premium cow leather. Right? Is that the premium?
close.
Right?
Ultra premium.
Thank you, Ryan. Ultra premium. Okay, can you tell it's shorter? I'm gonna have to do my tippy toes. There we go. It's shorter and it's just below my belt, so it covers the belt nicely. Really super nice. It's got the easy access pocket right here, which is super nice. Got the barrel loop on the inside for the piece you want to carry. It's also got no collar. It's got the hole for your eyeglasses or your pen. It's also got 2 chest pockets, 2 snap side pockets as well. It's also got 1 piece back.
Yep.
And it's also on the inside. Not only does it have the easy access, which is the other side of the zipper, but on the other side, it's also got another CCW pocket on this side. Now, one thing this is really nice about this vest, let me show you, is the zipper liners. A zipper that goes this way and a zipper that goes this way. Now, the advantage of the zipper liner is that you can remove the liner so you can put the patches on the outside without stitching your pockets closed. That's a big thing for people that really don't know how to do it properly. So you don't want to have somebody take apart your vest in order to put patches on to save your pockets, because it's very more expensive to do it that way. Otherwise, it's a great option to get something like this, the premium vest. It is more expensive, but it's also a super nice leather and a little more cropped, which is the guys are liking this a lot. So
You also have your phone pocket as well. Inside phone pocket.
got a phone pocket right there, and another big logo there. Super nice vest. There we go. And a naked or ultra premium leather.
And it's soft.
That's what's naked about it. Don't you like naked things?
No, we're not going to go there.
Ryan, you like naked things?
I mean, Ryan was looking at the back. That's his favorite section of our store is the back.
He's looking at people's back?
No, the back of our store.
He's looking at the back?
Yeah, he is.
Oh.
I know.
That's nasty.